me $400. If I'm a professional person that do raps, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Don't watch this video without subscribing. You just being selfish, and you don't want to see a small YouTuber come up. But that's fine regardless, you know what I'm saying? I still got a nice-ass car or whatever. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all thinking about getting some stripes on y'all Mopar, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the barber shop just waiting on my barber. I went with this color because it kind of matched my wheels. And it kind of matches the center cap in the middle, but that's chrome, but it look, you know, kind of like the stripe on the roof. But yeah, y'all thinking about doing the same to y'all car, let me know. Go ahead on comment, tell me what y'all think about the color. I bought my car without stripes. If you check my previous videos, I did not have any stripes on my car or whatever. So yeah, I'm debating if I should wash it today because it's so cold, you know what I'm saying? But and it rains like every other day here in Tennessee, especially when it's cold. So let me know how y'all like the car, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it looks real aggressive, you know. The guy did a real good job on my stripes. It looked like they came straight from the dealership, you know, and these ain't no cheap stripes. These ain't no flaking stripes. They on there. He did an outstanding job, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me know how y'all like it, man, with the Hellraisin. And then they got the wheels that sort of, you know, match. They're just a little dirty, so they might look a little darker, but it's just about the right color, you know what I'm saying? So let me know how y'all like the car. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And if you got any questions, let me know. It's the back, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I'm not monetizing nothing, so I got a lot of subscribers, but I'm not monetized. So I do this on my own. I got my car on my own. YouTube just not supporting me financially, but based on y'all, we'll see. Then we'll get some giveaways out. Maybe I can give away some cash up. Y'all get y'all dream car. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm not gonna keep this video too long, you know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be about it, y'all. Alright, peace. Yeah, YouTube. About to put some gas in this thing, you feel me? Y'all little kids ain't ready for this. They ain't ready for this, man. I still don't like the fact that Dodge did this shit, though. I said that a few, man. I put $35 in, man. Good, so I got like 51 miles to empty. If you ain't subscribed, man, you're gonna hit the sub button, man. This is just an addition to the video. Man, look at that Hellraisin. And look at my stripes, they sparkle too. Let me get out the way. Y'all see the stripes? They sparkle too. It ain't just a flat color, man. So this ain't dirty though. I will wash it today, but it's too damn cold. Dirty ass. Oh y'all say y'all want a scan pack till you keep going to the gas station. We still here getting gas, man. We still here getting gas. We're already at 9:25. So if you think you want scat, think twice. Make sure y'all sub though, man.